Hi everybody. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the bulk update workshop feature to efficiently change workshop data en masse. Starting from the dashboard, hover over the Report tab and select Report Builder. From here, scroll to and select the Workshops report. Live and warehouse reports will work with this feature. In this instance, I will select a live report. Configure the report filters as desired. In this case, I only want to update all workshops of a particular type starting this month. The display fields will be automatically set to the fields that are able to be edited in bulk, which include the workshop type, workshop name, coordination type, workshop client, start date, date descriptor, start time, and trainer or facilitator, depending on the terminology used in your system. Submit the report to view the workshop data. Then navigate to and click on the bulk update icon at the top of the page. To update the information for these workshops, first select the workshops you wish to edit by clicking on the checkboxes on the left. Then click on the Edit icon next to the column heading, in this case, Facilitator, and select the desired field. To finalize these changes, click the Bulk Update button at the top left of the screen. The columns displayed on this page can be customized to only include the display fields you wish to edit. And each particular workshop on this page can have its individual details updated. In summary, this video has demonstrated how to effectively use the Bulk Update Workshop feature to manage mass changes to workshops. The following video will cover enrolling learners into these workshops.